welcome to Gauri's World of Experiments. So before watching this video, please subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon for more notifications. So let's start. So today we are going to do an experiment. So the name of the experiment is talking coin. So for this we need glass bottle, coin and water. So before starting this experiment, you need to keep the bottle in the freezer. First, we have to dip the coin in the water. Then, keep the coin above the bottle. Do you want to know the reason? The reason is that the cool air takes less space than hot air. When I kept the bottle outside, the air started to expand. So the air inside the bottle started to push the coin to come outside. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon for more notifications. Bye bye.